Blackmyth Wukong Beginner's Guide. Hey everyone, welcome to the Blackmyth Wukong Beginner's Guide. In this video, I'll cover some essential tips to help you get started in this epic action-adventure game based on Journey to the West. Let's jump right in. Let's talk first about the combat. Wukong is fast-paced and skill-based, so get comfortable with dodging, blocking, and timing your attacks. Practice combos and use Wukong's staff effectively for both short and long-range attacks. Learn enemy patterns to avoid unnecessary damage because every type of enemies has a certain pattern that they fight with. Wukong has powerful transformation abilities that let you take on various forms, like a bug or a large monster. Each transformation offers unique skills, so use them strategically. Some forms are better for combat, while others help you explore hidden areas. As you progress, gather materials to upgrade your gear and abilities, so visit blacksmiths to enhance your weapons, armor, and special abilities. Upgrades will make a huge difference when facing tougher enemies and bosses. Explore every corner of the beautiful world of Blackmyth Wukong, as you'll find hidden treasures, items, and upgrades that will make your journey easier with time. Keep an eye out for secret paths and collectible items that enhance your power and skills. Those are the key tips to get started in Blackmyth Wukong, mastering combat, upgrading gear, and exploring the world, and without forgetting to gather materials. Will set you on the path to becoming the legendary Monkey King. For more in-depth guides, check the description and the channel. Thanks for watching.